All right, this video is just a quick video to let you know, especially the students that are not in class on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11:40, how to get access to those recordings. You go down here where it says virtual classroom. So again, I'm creating this on my phone because I just realized that there's some students that were not aware on how to get access to those recorded lectures. So you go to virtual classroom, and then when you get this Blackboard Collaborate, you click on it, and then you will see here on the left that these three little lines. Okay, this is a menu. Click on that, and then you go down here where it says recordings. Okay, and here you will have, again, I know that they're very long. Okay, some well, actually all of them are an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes. But again, it's pretty much everything that we go over in class on Tuesdays and Thursdays with examples. Sometimes we do some of the exercises if they have questions from exams, quizzes. So again, this is just hopefully it helps. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.